Hey guys, Xbox Gamer here. Today I'm going to be building a mansion again. Today it's going to be a very nice video because I am building a mansion again. So let's get started. That. Okay. This is going as planned. You've seen my mansion build video and my Xbox Gamer versus Zoom versus Xbox Gamer / Game Boy. Please do enjoy that video. It's very supportive to click that subscribe button and the like button. It's very appreciated. This is going to be too long for this. As you see, I'm not that complete at all. Still working on it. I'll make a video of once I finish it, but otherwise no. Oh yeah, I forgot my glowstone. As you see, no one has joined, okay? Wait, I need to... Okay, sorry about that. I just needed to check something in my thing. I'm nowhere near done for this mansion. Well, it's not exactly the mansion I made in my mansion build video, but it's kind of related. There's not going to be layers in it or anything. I'm just going to make like a one layer thing. It's going to be a huge part. Okay, I'll continue building, but first I'll just show you something. Okay, I'm gonna show you how to make a Zoom costume. You might have seen Game Boy's video about that. I'm just going to show you a quick tip. Get leather armor, and then get a wither skull. But that's not all you need. Wait. So you put on your armor, right? Don't put the wither skull yet. Wait. So then you dye your armor gray, and then I'll just make it darker to make it like a black finish. And there's your basic zoom, and then you need to add these lightning bolts and stuff, but I'm not adding that. You could add those if you make that costume. Anyways, let's continue. Let me just get a potion of night vision. I think I'll just get a potion of swiftness. Yeah. Whoa, I built faster. As you see, the swiftness potion does help for building, so I suggest using that. And I think I might make a McDonald's. Whoa. What? Might all not finish this in one video, so I'm going to finish the rest without a video making. So I'll leave off by putting the glass. Anything that might work. In Game Boy's world, I also started making a mansion, as you know. At first, when I joined his world, Gamerplay kind of... You should have seen his Game Boy's video called My Story Dream House Build 2. It's kind of... He even spawned the wither. The wither was part of that video. It was kind of intense. Very intense. How far are we? Okay, we're pretty close. Pretty close. Pretty close. I'm gonna drink more of this. This. And that. My new magic trick. Yeah, I'm gonna play with magic. You wanna play with magic? So legit. So legit. It's all legitimate. I'm Zoom. The mighty Zoom, which I lost to Nino. That's kind of upsetting because, like, I lost. But I mean, like, that's kind of like some sort of mod. No, not really a mod. I don't really want to call it a mod. As you see, I'm kind of halfway there. And was I glitching? Was. Ugh. Oh wow. Please don't now. How close? Yay! I worked this so fast with the swiftness potion, well, mostly, but in the beginning I didn't use the swiftness potion until I made the Zoom costume right now. Ugh. Oh, the bad thing is that sometimes when you're using your swiftness potion to build, you might build in the wrong place. See, like that. That's what I just said. Like that. Wow. This is pretty big. So legit. Okay, there's bad solution with the black stained glass. It kind of looks like black. No, it doesn't look like black. It looks like brown. Hopefully they will make a resolution change for that one. Now for the glass. This might be a short 15-minute video. Make it like that. Okay. Halfway. Ugh. I'm gonna make a glass roof because I like to. So legit. So legit video. No, sorry. Already? Wow. Joking. Oh, wow. Kind of reminds me of a country kind of thing. But I had some glowstone. All over the place, all over the place, Decided to start. Whoa, I made a dance! Aw, I couldn't do it anymore. That's sad. Is that enough glue? Wow, that's a lot of glowstone. You wanna play with magic? Shit. You wanna play with magic? You wanna play? I might make a new series called Minecraft Middle School. That would be cool. That would be cool. But first, we'll get to that later. Skipping blocks. I'm halfway done. At least the flooring is done. Well guys, I guess we just ran out of the video. Sorry I couldn't continue all of that, but that was just it. I hope you enjoyed this video, and if you did enjoy it, then please do give a big fat thumbs up, and please subscribe, especially press the subscribe button. Yeah, that's basically it. I'll see you guys in the next video. Bye. Bye.